ICE has a new memo that says agents can enter the homes of individuals to conduct immigration arrests without a warrant. According to a leaked memo from May 2025, ICE leadership directed agents to break into people's homes with only an administrative warrant to conduct arrests in lieu of a judicial warrant. Now, an administrative warrant is a document that's signed by an agency, whereas a judicial warrant is one that's actually signed by a judge. And up until this point, there was absolutely no policy in which ICE would enter the homes of individuals to conduct arrests because it's in violation of the Fourth Amendment to the Constitution, which is the right to unreasonable search and seizure. In addition to the fact that courts have held that you have the highest expectation of privacy in your home, which means that law enforcement requires a warrant to enter your home for any search or seizure. And with this memo, ICE is basically declaring that all of the fundamental protections that every court has found and recognized up until this point simply doesn't apply to them. Now, the Department of Homeland Security has defended this guidance and has basically said that this memo does not mean that ICE is going to randomly go and kick down doors. They argue that people who are targeted under this policy have already gone through due process and have final orders of removal. But that does not matter. Sure, immigration courts decide when someone can be deported, and ICE has the authority under the law to execute removal for those who have those orders. But it's the Fourth Amendment that controls how the government enters someone's home. So legally, that's like saying you lost a case in court and the police can just break in anywhere you want. And that's just not how the law works. So regardless of this memo, you should still know your rights and know that you're legally still permitted to refuse entry to anybody to enter your home unless they have a judicial warrant signed by a judge. For more immigration news and information, feel free to give us a follow.